Where is the zero tolerance issue? Where is the protection to the victim?
Kavita Krishnan coming to the debate. Kavita Krishnan, this I no, 1 second. Sambit Patra.
Wait up to Supreme Court, Mr.
This is now 1 minute. We are going to go into an open debate. Just a minute. I want to get Kavita Krishnan in because she's not interrupted anyone. That's why Sambit Patra, you can't stop Kavita Krishnan from speaking.
Very much clear. We got the judgment in December 2013.
Sambit, you want to try it? Kavita Krishnan from
Madam Rajasthan,
there is no selective. You are being defensive for your minister. There is no selective work
here. Rajasthan, we've seen it in your earlier regime.
Okay, now that you've completed
but
1
do
minute.
It now. Do it now. Yeah.
Ami Yagnik, allow Kavita Krishnan into the debate. GVL Narasimha Rao, please. Just because you know she won't agree with you, you don't want to let her speak. My question tonight is this, that the victim is part of a political conspiracy, says the BJP, and the minister does not explain to anyone. It's being dealt with like an internal party, internal government matter. Can it be left like that, Ms. Krishnan?
See, I want to start by saying that throughout, all the time that this debate has been going on, I don't know what your viewers are thinking, but sitting here, I cannot, the cacophony from both sides. You have 3 BJP leaders there and 1 Congress leader, and in the cacophony that is happening there, and finger pointing that is happening, the essential issue is being lost. I haven't been able to hear what Vrinda had to say. I'm sure there were several substantial points there. We haven't been, your viewers haven't, and I haven't been able to hear any of that, which I would have liked to. Now, the point which I want to make here is that not a legal one or any other thing. I'm simply saying that where there is an allegation, where there is an accusation. Now, what are the merits of the accusation? Can it be proved? Even sometimes perhaps evidence cannot be mustered, but even then the allegation may be pretty serious and may even be true. We don't know. But of course, it must be proven in a court of law. That takes time. But we all know how tough that is. I'm just saying in public life, in political life, when there is a serious allegation by a woman who certainly does not have any reason to be part of a political conspiracy on the face of it, nobody is able to say this woman has a reason to accuse Nihal Chand because she has some grudge, or she is a political person, or she has a political agenda, anything like that. No, let me just finish what I'm saying. I'm saying that there is nothing in all these years that she has made this complaint. She started by making the complaint against her own husband. That is the source of the whole complaint. And she is saying there are many parallels here. And I'm saying this because I would say that to Congress as well. In the PJ Kurian case, in the Surya Nelli case, it was a very similar matter. Yes. Where there are several accused, among which there is 1 political leader. It is not as though there are only political people who are accused. There are many people in which there are some political leaders also who are accused. And it is not, if it were a conspiracy against Nihal Chand alone, then maybe she would have accused Nihal Chand alone. Clearly, she is accusing a whole lot of people. She is saying something. Any gang rape like that is going to be very hard to prove when evidence has not been mustered immediately after a charge, naturally. But the point is that this court is considering the matter of reopening, and I absolutely believe it should be reopened. The only point I'm trying to make here is when there is a serious allegation, why are the BJP leaders behaving as though they are the court and they have already passed judgment, given him a clean chit, acquitted him and made him a minister, whereby he is in a position to use his power to intimidate her, use his power to influence the justice system. No, please let me finish what I'm saying. The BJP leaders here who are speaking here, they are shouting themselves hoarse. They are shouting themselves hoarse, making the most untenable arguments. I don't want to go into a shouting match here. I want to say she has an allegation. She is accusing your minister. How can an accused minister, a minister accused of rape, why should he be allowed to remain a minister? In a position where he can influence investigations, he can influence the course of justice. This is the
No,
question. and I
central,
have
what,
wish to
the basic point,
because I
no,
have
1 second,
very
1 minute.
shouting match.
Just a minute, please, Sambit Patra. You know, this argument is basically this from your end. Mr. Patra, I'm coming to you. Just let me say 15 seconds,
No,
please.
Arnab, I just want to
you know, don't censor me on my own on my own show.
No.
Please, Mr. Patra, don't make an attempt at censoring me on the own show.
It's our show. Arnab, it is our show.
Okay, so it's your show. You take over as the anchor then.
So I have the right to.
You take over as the anchor of the program and silence everybody. But Mr. Patra, for that you'll have to make a job application to Times Now.
Let's not.
Mr. Patra, allow me please. That's on a lighter note.
Let's have sensitivity
Mr.
towards the alleged victim.
Let's have what is this hiding behind sensitivity? Sensitive. No, 1 second. Just a minute, Mr. Patra. This is too much. 5 times you've said sensitivity.
No,
1 second. 1 second. Sensitivity. No, 1 second. If you are so sensitive to the victim, then why don't you tell Jyoti Kiran Shukla be sensitive to the victim? Don't say she's part of a political conspiracy. And you say political conspiracy out here, then I'm asking you, how is it part of a conspiracy given that the case was filed? The case was filed way back in 2011, which is well before Narendra Modi made Nihal Chand a member of his ministry.
You cannot be judgmental like that. Arnab, you cannot be judgmental like that. All I tried was to present the facts.
But
all I tried to present certain facts which you were missing.
No, but you did say no.
Judgmental here.
No, nobody is being judgmental, but you did say. No, 1 second.
You can't be judgmental.
Well, I think you're being very judgmental when you're saying the woman is part of a political conspiracy. Where's Brinda Grover?
It appears like that.
No, but how do you know the woman is part of a political conspiracy? Please share with me today a woman, a victim of rape, a victim of rape.
Check the
and Miss
check the statements.
Miss Shukla, Miss Shukla, I just want to ask you today, you are an educated, empowered woman. How can you say that a woman today, 1 minute, let me complete, don't be impatient, that a woman who is accusing her own husband of using her as a sexual tool for his business and political interests and names not one person but 17 people. Do you mean she has a vested interest against the 17 people out there? And would you think today that in the course of your defense of the politician, 16 others potentially are also going to get away? You know, look at it from the other lens, please. Look at it as an educated, empowered woman.
Will you allow me to
Brinda
answer?
Grover wants to say something to you. No, Brinda Grover wants to say something after that.
Will you allow me to answer, Arnab?
After Brinda?
No,
after
will you
Brinda?
allow me to answer, Arnab?
Okay, do continue, please.
Since you asked such a long question, allow me to answer.
I just made a small observation.
No, kindly, because I just wanted to put forth certain facts which you were missing. Certain facts are elusive, these facts are inconsistent. So I said that it appears that it could be a political conspiracy.
No, appears means this is like a trial balloon, ma'am. It appears that she's a part of a political. It's a trial balloon you're throwing up to cloud the matter in such a manner that protects the interests of the BJP leader.
At the same time, I cannot be a party to a media trial as well.
So how is the media trial? You are the one who is saying that she's part of a political conspiracy. I'm saying prove it.
I have to put forth certain facts which you're missing.
Which facts? How do you know? Show me the facts. Produce the facts on Newshour tonight that she's part of a political conspiracy.
No, you check the.
No, what do you mean you check? You throw up the charge, then you say check.
No, Arnab, please. Arnab, it cannot be like that. You ask a question, allow me to answer. If you ask a question, allow me to answer, please.
No, this is like saying Sambit Patra, 1 second. Sambit Patra, 1 minute. Should I tell you one thing? Just 1 second, please.
Yes.
Please understand. Suppose today I say, Sambit Patra, you are a murderer, right? And you say, how can you call me a murderer? Then I say that, you know what, why don't you check? Maybe you are a murderer. I've already put a cloud over your reputation. Come on, be logical tonight. Brinda Grover is rebutting, please. Brinda Grover.
I hope none of the BJP desperados.
Brinda Grover should be allowed to speak.
I have a few things to say. Please let me say 3 points. The message has gone out to the women of this country from all political parties within 1 month of the general election that the issue of women's safety, the issue of women's dignity was simply a ploy in which you were going to put out ads and publicity. No political party cares for women's dignity. This issue will have to be fought by women of this country and by like-minded citizens. Political parties will be the barriers to justice. The BJP spokespersons have actually repeatedly tried to put so-called facts, which are conjectures, inferences. The matter is pending before a court of law. Neither Kavita Krishnan nor myself have said, hang the man. What is good governance, I want to understand. A man charged with corruption is unfit to hold a post. But a man charged with sexual exploitation, gang rape, is fit to hold a cabinet rank? Is that your definition of good governance? Well, the women of this country have understood what it means.
GVL Narasimha Rao.
Man will use
Mr.
his
Rao.
position as he has since 2011 to not allow this case to move forward. I fear for the safety of this woman. And I'm sorry, BJP only uses women's agenda for political propaganda.
I strongly
Arnab,
object
this
to
is
what
not
Rita
fair.
said.
The lawyer,
The entire
I think the
sensitivity-
lawyer with all the experience wants to ignore, gloss over the fact that the lower courts has already examined.
Absolutely.
There
I am
was
not a
police
judge here, nor is
investigation
Arnab
which was
Goswami.
also-
No, Branda, you
The
should
matter
Why
is
are you
pending
ignoring
before a court
the
of
lower
law.
court's judgment?
I will listen to the appellate court. The appellate court admitted the revision petition. There must have been prima facie grounds on which the appellate court admitted the revision petition.
Is it true or not that the appellate court admitted the revision
No,
petition?
this is the
Or will
High
you
Court,
deny that as well?
One of the accused has gone to the High Court.
No,
You
the
don't
appellate-
need to know the facts.
There
of the case.
is a revision
I think I would
petition
like
pending
Brinda
before an
Grover to
appellate
know the
court.
facts of the
No,
case
please know
before
the
putting her
facts.
facts. Before putting her points of view.
You are not
She is
putting, you
unaware
are
of the facts.
misinterpreting the
And she is
facts.
commenting
You are
on this case.
misinterpreting the legal procedure.
No, you are unaware of the facts. No, this is no.
You are not putting any
one of the
facts.
one
You
of
are
the accused has
selectively
gone to the High
placing things
Court
before viewers.
to give an evidence
No,
before the
I-
lower
Brinda
court,
ji,
and the High
I
Court
think
has
before
asked them to
taking
go
a
and before
contractual
the summons
position,
were
The
issued to
case
present
is
their
pending
case.
of this
before a
particular-
court of law. Is that correct? Kindly answer, Mr. Patra.
The law.
I didn't get your question. Can you ask the question again?
Please repeat the question.
The case is pending before a court of law. After the lower court said no, she has gone in revision. The next appellate court has admitted the revision petition. Is this not a fact? Please answer this much. For once, state the truth on television.
It is a fact that a revision petition
It is a
has been
fact.
taken
Thank you.
by a court of law.
Thank you.
But,
Yes.
but
So
let
now
me
let
complete.
us wait for the
No, buts
revisional
in the
court
middle,
to come to a
Arnav.
decision.
Arnav,
We
you
do not want you or
Arnav, you
Ms.
also
Shukla
have
to
not
tell
come
us.
prepared today. You have to know the facts completely,
Mr. Patra
Arnav.
and Ms. Shukla,
One
we
of
do not
the
want
accused
your
of-
versions, your
Let
inferences,
me
your
complete,
conjectures.
ma'am. Don't jump into conclusions. You cannot have a resumption without my complete
You are
I just
jumping to
want to know
conclusions.
today-
I am saying,
No,
wait
I just
for the
want to know
revisional
today
petition.
how you did a U-turn. You see, I just want to know, Mr. Patra. Mr. Patra, Mr. Patra, please understand this. You see,
Arnav, let me complete. One of the accused had gone to the High Court. The High Court had categorically mentioned that before a revision petition is opened, all these 16 people have to be heard, and that is what is going to be done.
That's it.
So
I
let the
don't say
court
anything
decide
wrong in
that.
this in the sense that
Let
they
the
have to be
court
heard.
decide.
They have been
In the
called to be
meanwhile, the
heard.
cabinet
So I
minister
believe
should be
let
removed
us have
from the
some
cabinet.
patience.
No, you see, I'll tell you. One, look at it very
Ma'am,
seriously,
let's
Mr.
have
Patra.
some patience.
Mr.
Please
Patra,
remove him from the
Mr.
cabinet.
Patra, I'm going back
So
to
I
Kavita
will
Krishnan, who
not
spoke
have
on the
a
least in
That
this
is all
debate.
that is being said
Sensitive
here.
to this
You should-
topic.
Yeah, one
And
second.
let's show sensitivity to the alleged victim also.
One minute,
Shukla,
please.
you are
You know, you are so
making
sensitive
allegations and
today,
slandering the
Sambit Patra. Sambit Patra, just a minute, please. Just listen, please. You see, this is a bad habit. You learn from the Congress party's experience. You see, they never listened and they were voted out. Why do you want to pick up their bad habits so quickly? It appears you have. Now, Mr. Patra, please.
Sanjay Jha always listens.
No, Mr. Patra, that's what I
He
kept
was
telling
always
Sanjay
listening
Jha. The
very
more
well.
you
We all
listen,
saw
the
your
more you'll
debates.
prosper, but he didn't listen. Now, the question is this, please. Look, the implication of what you are seeing is very serious because of the charge that she's part of a political conspiracy, which is what Kavita Krishnan rightly highlights. Take a situation in the future, Kavita Krishnan, where there is a victim of sexual assault, right? And if she is a victim of sexual assault of 10, 15, 20 people, if one of them happens to be a politician, then the colleagues of that or the leaders of that political party can always turn around and point a finger at the victim, saying she is part of a political conspiracy. So in other words, tomorrow, Kavita Krishnan, all victims of sexual assault, if the person who is the perpetrator of the act is a politician, the victims will feel very scared of picking the case up. Because you'll have the entire political party giving a political angle to this case or any such case. Kavita Krishnan.
Exactly, it isn't It's not just a political party. He is a minister. If he remains a central minister in the central government, just imagine what that means to a complainant. Just imagine what kind of clout he is in a position to command. And I absolutely agree with Vrinda here that the kind of pronouncements we've been hearing from political leaders from various parties, Samajwadi Party, BJP, after the elections about women, about rape, about women, all those are happening unchecked by BJP leadership. Okay, they're going around saying quite blithely that women, rapes happen by mistake, and they're agreeing with each other. The Prime Minister of the country has been completely silent on that. I'm sure you object. I'm sure you object. But I'm saying that your Prime Minister has not said anything about the atrocious remarks. He has not said. He has appointed a man as minister. He has appointed a man as minister. He has appointed a man as minister who is accused of rape. Is that or is that not?
No, but they are saying, no, 1 second. What their argument on that is, Kavita, their argument on that is, 1 minute. Their argument on that, Kavita, 1 minute. Just a minute. Their argument on that, which they have repeated ad nauseum on the program, is that don't take this as an opportunity. 1 minute, the fact of the matter they always say is that every time the case comes up in court, the case has got dismissed. So we are going by the precedent in this case, they say.
All right.
And you get that point. They are saying when the case comes up in court, case gets dismissed.
No, but I'm saying that the whole...
You are questioning the wisdom of the honorable courts also.
Court has not found him guilty. No, I am not. I am saying that this matter is pending before a court. She can go right up to the Supreme Court, you see. She can keep taking up her matter. She is pursuing her case, and in a matter, please let me finish, and then you can reply. I don't want a shouting match. Please let me say. I'm saying that please understand that in a case where a gang rape is alleged, where 17 people are accused, mustering the evidence is an extremely hard task, especially against someone who is in a very powerful position. Therefore, I'm simply, and that too where the police.
No, but
please let me speak. Please let me speak.
Madam, allow me to answer.
And then you say you've been speaking throughout. I've spoken very little. I'm saying this is a woman of this country, a citizen of this country, who is standing there saying that 17 people raped me. That includes my husband, and that includes Mr. Nehal Chand Meghwal. This is a woman, citizen of the country, who is saying this. She is saying this now before a court. The court is seeing whether her petition should be reopened. She can, until and unless she exhausts all the legal options before her, in her attempt to secure justice, the government of the central government of this country, the Prime Minister of this country should say, we will not stand between her and this process. We will not stand here offering a shield of impunity to this minister. That is something which the women of this country would like to be seeing, would like to be hearing, and this is, we are hearing the opposite.
No, 1 minute, just a minute, before it becomes political, my question is, 1 minute, my question here is to the Congress, which is interestingly quiet. Ami Yagnik, today you are saying all these things, right? We are for the victim must be protected, all that, that's very good. Were you not in power till recently? Were you not in power till recently in Rajasthan?
Yes.
What did you do in this case over the years? This case has gone on for some time.
And their chief minister was the home minister.
No, 1 minute. Just a minute.
Every case.
The Rajasthan police reported to you.
We are not talking about.
The Rajasthan police did not check the places of the crime. The Rajasthan police did not present the accused before the victim. No, how come you woke up to it now after Nehal Chand became a cabinet minister and center? Why? So you are only using it politically, right? Your motives are suspect.
This political party, this political party has shouted from the rooftops that we will be giving safety to women.
But you also shout from the rooftops that you are for women's empowerment.
Women have come out. No, you please let me answer.
That means you're all the same.
Either you ask me a question, you answer yourself, or you
let me answer. But you did nothing.
Here is the woman who has filed an FIR, and the police is supposed to follow the criminal procedure.
But what did the police do when you were in power?
Honorable Apex Court that in 24 hours.
When Ashok Gehlot was in power.
The police will have to be giving answers.
When Ashok Gehlot was chief minister, you forgot?
The police will have to answer the court now. It is in the court. It is in the court.
No,
the
so
court
till
will
now-
definitely ask a question. What have you done about the
No, Ami
164
Yagnik, that's
statement?
not right.
In every matter, the chief minister does not go to every police station to every case. So you cannot pin
see
it
how
on a
you
police
change your
chief
line?
minister. You have to ask the
See how you change
But
your
now
line?
the police should do it. But now the police should do it.
Oh, now the police should do because the
it right
BJP is in
away.
power. Till now the police did not do because the Congress is in power.
Spokesperson.
Arnab,
Whether the BJP or the Congress, the police will have to answer the court now for not doing what they should have done.
Ami Yagnik, I have a question for you.
Wrap up
Ami
now.
Yagnik, I have a question for
Wrapping
you.
up now.
Saying that, Ami Yagnik, I have a question for you. You were saying that for every little matter, the chief minister need not come out and make a statement. But you expect that for every matter, the prime minister of this country should be coming out and making a statement. This is a dichotomy of thoughts. The chief minister...
I have not said that. Let me answer. I have not said that.
Okay.
The Prime Minister has
You
promised
said right
to this
now for every
country
little
all
matter,
the
the
women's
chief minister
safety.
cannot go to
And
the
that is
police
why
station.
he cannot
don't
have a
know why.
minister who is accused of rape.
No, I don't
So
know
he
why
has
this
to
debate,
resign.
while this debate
I am not
continues, I
asking
just
any
don't know
questions.
why.
And I am not
I
giving
just don't know
expecting
why.
any answer.
No, I'm saying,
Now this hypocrisy
I would like to
is
say here,
basically
Arnab,
the main
though,
Yeah,
character
Kavita,
that the
please.
lapses of the Rajasthan police in this matter, clearly the BJP is very happy with those, because essentially they are saying,
No,
look, the
BJP
police
is not
closed the
happy with
case
something, Kavita.
and the courts accepted that.
Okay, we'll take the debate forward.
Courts accepted that,
We-
and the fact
I'll
that
take the
evidence in
debate
this
forward.
matter after this
I'll
woman's
take the
complaint
debate
was
forward,
not
but I don't know
mustered. Who's
Mr. Nihal
responsible
Chand
for that?
Meghwal. Why, Mr. Nihal Chand Meghwal, why are you embarrassing your own government like this? You were sworn in a few days back. Today you are the centerpiece of embarrassment for the Modi government. Maybe it's better for Nihal Chand to resign himself. Maybe by tomorrow or day after, instead of letting this continue over a protracted period of time. I thank everyone for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.